Well, hi there and welcome back to the lab once again. I'm Jay. Happy 2024, first video of the year. And this time we're going to talk about a recent issue observed that you may have run into. If you happen to have installed the mVision Endpoint 2311, when you install the Trellix Endpoint ePO extension, it's going to update the Trellix Endpoint extension, the workspace services, workspace, and more importantly, pay attention to quarantine management. Let's look at the before and after scenario. Before, you're able to go to any system and look at any of the information. When we install this extension, you're going to notice that everything from my cursor over here downwards, everything, this entire lower pane is going to be problematic. We're going to head on back over to the software catalog and we're going to install the check-in all. Accept it and check it in. All right, and through a little movie magic, everything is up to date. We've advanced the clock. It took a couple of minutes and we see that everything has been installed. Here's where it gets interesting. If you do this check-in, you may not know that there's a problem that gets induced. And what we're going to do here is, I'm the administrator. I'm logged in. I go to menu. I come down here. I see that I'm logged in as admin. I'm going to log in as a test user. And I'm going to go look at this machine. And you're going to notice something is very peculiar. Everything is missing. You're not going to know why. And you're going to go, what did I do that could have caused this? And then I go look at another machine. Same symptom. But when I am logged on as the administrator, everything is going to look fine. What's the problem? Any permission set that you have that you're using, I hear all of you groaning, like, please tell me you guys didn't do this to me. You're going to have to go in here and scroll down, and you're going to see that a brand new entry has been put into place called quarantine. Now, I happen to know the test user is a global reviewer. I'm going to check. There's my test user. Again, go back to global reviewer. Don't make the mistake of not checking what you're going to change. And when you scroll down, you'll see quarantine hasn't been set. I'm going to make that setting on this permission set as well as all the permission sets where people are going to need to see that additional system details. Now I'm going to log out and log on as test. All right, now we're on as test. I'm going to click on the ePO server. You'll see that everything has been reinstated. Any other system, everything is returned to normal. Make sure you check the quarantine setting on each and every permission set. Some companies out there have numerous, dozens upon dozens and dozens of these permission sets. You're going to have to go in and make a change to all of them so everyone can actually see all the system properties. Now you know, if you run into the problem, what to do and what caused it. Over here, when we go to the software catalog, the mVision Endpoint 2311 caused your problem, but more specifically, this extension down here installs the quarantine management. And as everyone probably should know, an extension adds policy pages, and in this case, the quarantine setting to the permission set category. I'm Jay in the lab. Until next time, have a terrific day.